Are you serious about scaling your business? Then BizX 2026 is your unfair advantage.
Hi, I'm Kirsty Gallagher, your host for BizX 2026. Now, this is no ordinary business event. You'll walk away with practical strategies, fresh inspiration, and the right connections to grow your business and transform your life.
I'm Tim Campbell, business owner, author, and first ever winner of The Apprentice. Genuinely excited to be joining the speaker lineup at BizX 2026. I'll be sharing the real life lessons I've learned from starting businesses to backing entrepreneurs who are shaping the future.
Mo Gaudat, former Chief Business Officer at Google X. He's scaled some of the world's most innovative companies. Now he'll show you how to scale yours.
I'm Rory Sutherland. I'm the Vice Chairman at Ogilvy, and I'm a lifelong student of why humans do what they do. And my job is to help brands grow by understanding the irrational, the emotional, and the downright unpredictable nature of buying behaviour. And I hope showing you how to use behavioural science to gain an unfair advantage in the market.
Roxy Nafusi, Forbes called her the voice of manifestation, how to think like the entrepreneur you want to become.
Anyone can start a business, but building one that's scalable and investable and built to last, that is a different game. I'm Sarah Davies, founder of Crafters Companion. I'm a successful investor, and I'm someone who knows what it takes to grow from a kitchen table idea to a global brand. So if you're ready to scale, to lead with confidence, and to show the world that you are worth betting on, then BizX is definitely your moment.
Jeb Blount, founder of Sales Gravy, author of 18 best-selling books on sales and leadership, how to fill your pipeline consistently, close more deals, the sales strategies that actually work.
I'm Penny Power. I went on an amazing journey building a global social network for business, the first one in the world, called Academy. I'm really looking forward to bringing back what really matters, and that is deep, meaningful relationships.
Hi, we are the Tempest 2, two ordinary friends that took a big idea from the pub and turned it into a series of world-first adventures and a global business.
The BizX Awards Ceremony, celebrating the businesses that are doing it right. Recognition, inspiration, proof that it's possible. 15th to the 17th of April 2026, ICC Wales Newport. 3 days, 10 world-class speakers, one opportunity to transform your business. Tickets are selling fast. Don't miss your chance to be in the room. Secure your tickets now at thebizx.co.uk.
Get your tickets, bring your team, and I'll see you at BizX 2026.